Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Wednesday, June 14th, and we're going to take a look at crude oil here. And a trade we had earlier today in the trading room worked out really well. And that was a Pennant breakout. And I also sent this setup on crude oil out on Twitter and StockTwits. So if you're not following me there, make sure you go look down in the description. You can find the links to the profile there. That way you can get access to alerts whenever I send out new setups. But this was a really just a classic Pennant pattern going into the petroleum status report. And we shot up right before the report came out. We shot up and ran into the upper end of the Pennant. And then the report came out, or right before it came out, it shot up, hit it, and bounced back. And then the report came out and this shot straight down. And we broke out of the Pennant. And we sold off very nicely down to significantly undervalued on the 240s and the 120s. Now, again, I'm just going to stress another point that I've made in the past, and that is make sure you look at your momentum going into breakouts. So if we look at the momentum here, and we'll say there's a peak in momentum, and we'll say here's a peak in momentum, and just before that, we had another peak up here. So you can see our indicator line is weakening, weakening, weakening. We're putting in lower highs, lower lows. So it's just losing upside strength. And then all of a sudden, we come down and we break through support with bearish momentum. So it adds additional credibility to that setup. Now, not only that, but we also had news that was helping drive it. And the petroleum status report is a great announcement to watch for to help push markets around. Now, overall, great trade today, but keep an eye out on this type of setup. And you know it's a Pennant when you have a narrowing range. You look at your pivot highs and your pivot lows, and those pivot highs and lows keep getting narrower and narrower. Compression. Often after a period of compression, you're going to get a period of rapid expansion, just like we had here. So overall, great trade for everybody in the trading room today that took the trade. Worked out really well. But that's all I have for you for today. I hope it helps. I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, happy trading.